Today we are on LIGNA exhibition. This new servo edge bender from KDT, model KE-526. This is high-speed series, 32 meters per minute. Big and heavy machine, heavy construction. Two independent glue unit. Each one has servo magazine for different colors of edge. Totally 24 colors. Automatic glue feeding, horizontal and cutting unit with many adjustments. There is rough trimming unit, fine trimming unit, corner rounding unit with 4 motors. Scrapping, radio scrapping, flat scrapping, 2 polishing motors, grooving. Belt conveyor, additional extra rollers to work with small panels. Where we can find different